Hello everyone, welcome to JCE eConnect. In this video, I will explain isometric projection of a frustum of an object. First, I will read the question. The frustum of a square pyramid of sides 40 mm and height 60 mm rests on the center of the top face of a square block of sides 60 mm and height 20 mm. The base edges of the pyramid are parallel to the top face edges of the square block. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of the solids. This is the isometric projection. This is orthographic projection. In this is front view, this is top view. First, they have constructed a square prism. Above that, a frustum of square pyramid is placed. First, we should know what we mean by frustum. Frustum means the object which is already cut. While cutting also, the cutting plane should be parallel to horizontal plane. For example, this is the rectangular pyramid. If you cut this one by taking horizontal cutting plane which is parallel to horizontal plane, afterwards it looks like this. Now this is called as frustum of rectangular pyramid. Similarly, this is a cone. After cutting, this is called as frustum of a cone. And one more. This is a square pyramid. Now it is cut. After that, it is called as frustum of square pyramid. Now, I will explain how to draw this. Now, this is isometric sheet. All the lines are inclined at 30 degree. Mark one reference point here. From reference point, there will be two 30 degree lines passing through this. One is in this direction, one more is in this direction. So, from this reference, I have to start. A square prism of sides 60 mm. A square prism of sides 60 mm. So from this, in this direction I will measure 60, in this direction 60. It means 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mark here. In this direction also mark 60. Draw the lines. From this end, draw a line of 60 mm parallel to this. From this end, draw a line of 60 mm parallel to this. Height is 20 mm. From each corner, measure 20 mm in vertical direction. It means 2 boxes, 1, 2. Similarly, from all the corners, now these are the top face corners of the square prism. Join them. Now square prism is ready. Now I have to place a frustum of square pyramid above this. So I have to place centrally. Find the center. This is 60. Find the midpoint. That is 60 means 30 here, 30 here. Draw a line. Here also it is 60 mm. I have to find the center. So mark 30. Both are intersecting here. So this is called as center of the top face of the prism. Now with respect to center, I have to construct a frustum of square pyramid. Base sides are 40 mm. So 40 mm means in this direction I will take 20, in this direction 20, 40, in this direction 40, in this direction 40 and 20. Mark all the points, you will get a square of 40 mm. That square is isometric square. Lines which I have drawn to mark center, I will erase them. to avoid confusion. Now, height of that object is 60 mm. So from center mark 60. 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is center. Now, in the first term, the top face edges are 20 mm. It is shown here. So, from this enter, I have to construct a box of 20 mm with respect to this center. It means in this direction 10, in this direction 10, in this direction 20, in this direction 20, 20, 10. Join all the corners. Now, this is the top face. Now, join the corners. Now, invisible edges, you will make it light or you can erase them. This edge, only from here to here is visible. After placing object, this part is not visible. And in the question he has mentioned that the base edges of first term of pyramid are parallel to the top face edges of square prism. Square prism. Here you can see that these two are parallel. Final view after construction, it looks like this. Thank you.